In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to a Substack publication effortlessly. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the details needed for a smooth experience. Let's get started. First things first, go to substack.com. This is your starting point. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one. But if you're already a member, just log in with your credentials. Remember, keeping your login information secure is important. So avoid using common passwords and consider enabling two-factor authentication if Substack supports it. Once you've successfully logged into your account, navigate to https://substack.com Explore. This page is essentially your gateway to discovering a variety of interesting and diverse publications available on Substack. Exploring different publications is not only entertaining, but can also provide you with unique insights and ideas. Take your time and browse the selection. Whether you're interested in technology, culture, politics, or any other topic, there's likely something that will pique your interest. When you find a publication that catches your eye, click on it to open its dedicated page. Each publication on Substack often includes a brief description or introduction, giving you a sense of the author's focus or expertise. It's worth spending a few moments reading this to ensure you're subscribing to content that aligns with your interests or needs. Once you've decided this is the publication for you, you'll need to choose your subscription type. Substack typically offers various subscription options. These might include free subscriptions, where you'll receive selected content at no cost, or paid subscriptions that give you full access to all the publication's offerings. Some creators may also offer different pricing tiers or special benefits for subscribers. Consider what suits you best. If it's a publication you feel will provide significant value, a paid subscription could be a worthwhile investment. After selecting your preferred subscription type, click the subscribe button. This action confirms your subscription and adds you to the publication's mailing list. Congratulations, you've now subscribed. Any new posts or updates from this creator will typically be sent to your email directly, so keep an eye on your inbox. It might be a good idea to check your email settings or spam folder just to ensure you don't miss out on any new content. And that's it. You're all set. With your new subscription, you can look forward to receiving articles or essays delivered straight to your inbox, tailored to the interest you're most passionate about. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you find the publications you subscribe to inspiring and informative. Happy reading!